Alright, here it is, the Oppo Reno 10x Zoom Edition. On launch day, just bought it from that shop over there, the main Oppo shop here in Shenzhen. 10x zoom, up to 60 times zoom with this one. That's more than the Huawei. Anyway, let's get it open. 6.6 inch completely bezel-less display on the Oppo Reno. You get this quite thick body. It is a bit thicker than most phones, but that camera bump is completely flush. Camera setup is in the middle of the phone, and look, it is not protruding whatsoever. This is the first time in a long time I've seen a phone like this. So what do we get with the Oppo Reno camera? You get a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and that 5x optical zoom camera at the bottom. That goes up to 60 times with digital zoom, thanks to a recent software update. It runs on a Snapdragon 855. This is the 6GB version with 128 gigs of storage. 4K video, slow-mo, under-screen fingerprint sensor, fast charging, and a 4000 mAh battery. The Oppo Reno features a pop-up camera. We've all seen this one by now, and it's pretty quick. Let's just test how quick it is at opening. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Not bad. Wow, pictures from this thing are super bright. Look how saturated these colors are. These colors are definitely not natural. They have been brightened and just punched out completely. These colors are blowing me away. This is a unique look. Whether you like it or not is up to you. 4K video recording keeps those massively punchy colors. I don't think I've ever seen colors this saturated on a smartphone. I think I need to change that. Alright, this is a very quick video test of the back camera. I've literally just taken this out the box. I've not played with any settings or anything like that. I've put it in 4K and that's pretty much it. So you can decide for yourself what the audio and what the video looks like. This video is going to be down in 1080p, so this 4K image will be down-res a little bit. But one of the things I've noticed, I really like the design, but the back is plastic and so there's no wireless charging, which is a bit like, oh, really? Like for 4,000 RMB, you would expect it these days. The P30 from Huawei has wireless charging, and that is exactly the same price as this one. Now, apparently, the zoom camera on this one is better than the P30, or at least goes further. Whether the images look better, we're yet to find out. Subscribe if you want to see that comparison. But the P30 Pro is more expensive and has a longer zoom to tackle this one. So yeah, we're going to test all of those out. Anyway, let's see what other aspects Oppo's given us in this device. This is the future of smartphone design, no notches, and you get an extra speaker at the top there. I personally like Color OS. I think it's simple and easy and fresh, but you can guess who they took some inspiration from when designing it. One of the cool features that I found about Color OS is how to navigate back using swipes. Usually on Android now, you swipe in from the left of the screen, but on Color OS, you swipe on the left portion up from the bottom. I think it's quite a cool feature. Fingerprint was very easy to set up and is very quick as well. Definitely an improvement over last year's generation. It is quick and accurate, so no problems there. The buttons on the side are a bit squidgy and you have to really force them down. I like them a bit firmer than that. All right, let's check out the zoom camera. This is ultra wide, going into normal, going into 2x zoom, and then going into 6x zoom. And let's just go all the way, 60x zoom. It's blurry, but it's a long way. You'll probably use the phone more like this, from normal mode to 6x zoom. Now you can see it keeps a lot of detail and the colors are decent. Again, going from 1x into 6x zoom is probably the way most of us would use the phone most often. I think it looks good. Anyway, that's an unboxing and initial review. If you want to see more reviews of this phone against a whole host of other phones, they're coming up soon.